So guys, I'm finally reacting to Red Velvet Cosmic. Delayed. SM delayed it 4:55. Sorry. Delayed siya. Nakakagigil talaga sa SM. Hindi pa pinalampas yung 10th anniversary comeback. So yeah, Red Velvet Cosmic. 1, 2, 3. She. Jack. Wow. Ay, tuk-tuk. Ooh! Ganda. Saglit ang local. Saglit lang. Sorry. Huwag mo patay yung ilaw! Sige, okay lang. Okay lang pala. Langit lang. Ulit. Quality. 4K. 1, 2, 3. Tashi. 1, 2, 3. Ulit. Wow. Ang ganda ng ano nyo. Pagka-arts. Parang film may reading. Woo! Ang ganda ni Zulgi! Ano yung Pride Month? I like the beat. Woo! Para silang ano. Ang ganda! Ang ganda mo! Woo! Ang ganda ng pre-chorus. Yee! Sorry. Ang ganda. Very Red Velvet. Uy, may tat... Ooh. Oh, change outfit. Palgansek. Wow. 28 reasons. Wow. Ganda. Uy! Benson. Ganda ng dance. Ang ganda ng concept. Ang artistic lang. Wow. Epo, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda ng bridge. Sole. Gusto mo siya. Hindi, naka-video ko lang. Ah. Tigilan na. Anyong, I don't know why I got so emotional dun sa bridge part. Pero parang, ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung emotional because dahil sa it's their 10th anniversary comeback song. Pero I don't know, nung unang part and first part up to the first chorus, it's full of excitement. But after the bridge part, parang, ewan ko, kayo nung part man, kayo rin, parang, ewan ko, ba't ako naiyak? But it's very good. For me, it's 10 over 10, or top ba. I felt this way after kong mapanood yung Feel My Rhythm. Pero, it surpassed, and it is a very good one. This is the first that I cried in an MV. Hindi ko alam. Especially, parang kasi ang emotion, ewan ko, ang dala. Naiyak na talaga ako. But it's very good. And I'm glad that I took a video of it because I wanna play it again. Pero, what's the part when it's really in the bridge part. Alam. Yan o, ang emotional ng bridge part. This is so good, this is so good. Bye, peace. I love your Red Velvet. Really, really. I wanna see myself, how I reacted, but this is freaking like that. Yeah, it's really giving that midsummer feels, or sabi nga nila, it's a different kind of summer. They will portray different kind of summer in here, and it's the refreshing, cool summer vibe during a summer night. And they really capture that well. It's very good. Bye. Bye. It's very nice. 10 or 11 out of 10.